Welcome to Fun-Keys for Kids, piano and music lessons.
Can you find D the dude on your piano keyboard? D is between the two black keys.
I am D the dude.
To play D, I will use my finger number 1. Now, let's find the fourth note from D. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's groovy G.
My name is Groovy G.
To play G, I will use my finger number 4. And now, let's find the fifth note from D. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's adorable A.
I am adorable A.
To play A, I will use my finger number 5.
Want to teach your kids piano and music at home? Well, you can. Buy our Fun-Keys flashcards for nursery kids and for school kids. You can also join one of our courses if you check out our website. Follow us on social media. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn.